Student, in permutation combination, essay type sum, question number 3. In question number 3, see in how many ways the letter daughter be arranged that the vowels are never be separated. Never be separated means always comes together. So in that particular sum, question number 3, the daughter there is a 8 letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There is a 8 letter, so the total number of ways we can write total number of ways. There is a 8 letter, so 8 factorial. So 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. As an answer 40,320. Now the vowels always come together. The vowel always come together. In that arrange daughter D A U G H T E R. There is a vowel. This is vowel. This and this. There is a 3 vowel. A U E and rest are D G H T R. So in that particular sense, there is a 3 vowel and consonant at 5. So the number of arrangement when vowels are always come together. So always come together, that means A U E, or we can write U A E or E A U. There is a 3 arrangement because in particular questions it's given maybe the vowel may never be separated, or we can tell us the vowel always come together. So there is a 3 categories: A U E, U A E and E A U. Always vowels comes together, and the consonants are how many rest are consonant? 1 2 3 4. There is a rest are 4 consonant. But in arrangement, therefore vowels are always come together. So vowels are always come together. vowel are always comes together. So A, U, E, we can take, this is 1 and rest are 5s. Rest are 5. D, G, H, T, R. So we can write that total number of what we can say 5 plus 1, that is factorial 6, into the vowels are arranged in 3 ways, so 3 factorial. So we can say as 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. This is 720 into 6. So the answer will be 4320. Secondly, after that, vowels, see, vowels are never together. That means always vowels are not come together. So vowels are not come together. It's very simple. The total arrangement is how much in particular sum. So vowel are not comes together. So in that particular reason, see the total number of ways is 4320. This is the total number of ways, and vowel always come 4320. So simple. Okay, vowels are not come together. The total number of ways is 40,320 minus 4320. So the answer will be 3600. Sorry, 36,000. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer 1 and this is the answer 3. And secondly, in the question, may occupy only odd position. May occupy only odd position. So in daughter, there is a 8 letter. We know there is a 8 letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The odd position is 1, 3, 5 and 7. There is a 4 odd positions and 3 vowels. So the odd position is 4 and vowel is 3. So NPR, we can say there is a 4 position and 3 vowel. So you can write as 4P3. Because there is a 4 position put, there is a only 3 vowels. So the answer will be sorry, 4p3 into so there is a 3 vowel, so 4p3 and rest are 5, so here is the 5 factorial, so into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So the answer will be, just multiply 2880. So hope student you will understand. There is a 3 part. One is vowels comes together, vowel never comes together, and vowel always occupy the odd positions. Okay, there is a 4 odd position and the 3 vowel, and rest the letter is 5 letters, so factorial 5. So hope student you can do after question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 all are same. So on the basis of this video you can try from 4 to 12. Okay, thank you so much.